Hello people, welcome back. So I shared the video and I talked about how I was able to use intermittent fasting to combat my weight and how I shared weight with intermittent fasting. So I got some replies and some people were like, oh, you mean you never had to go to the gym, you never had to do any kind of cardio, which some people subscribe with. I'm totally fine by it. If that is your choice, why not? I'm just like a kind of lazy person. I don't like going to the gym at all. So if I can achieve my weight loss with one method, why won't I? But some people like to tone their muscles, you get. It's also very important when you shed weight and you tone your muscles, because you might have some loose flesh hanging here and there and you might want to take care of it. So someone sent me a message and she was like, okay, even if I don't go to the gym, what kind of exercise can I do? And this is what I told her, because this also worked for me in the past and I know it really works well. So if you do jump rope or skipping rope, by skipping or by jumping rope, you can shed at least 200 calories in 10 minutes. Just jumping rope in 10 minutes will help you shed 200 calories. You might look at it like, what is 200 calories? But trust me, if you're trying to shed weight, you know that 200 calories is a lot. Shedding that or losing that in 10 minutes is fine. How much more if you build it up to like 30 minutes or to an hour? You shed a lot of calories and you shed some weight in the process. So if you're looking for how to shed weight and you want to go through the cardio method, jumping rope or skipping rope is one of your best bets, because it is not so stressful and you shed a lot of weight and you shed a lot of fat in the process. So this is my tip for you today. If you're looking for how to shed weight using some cardio, this is one of the best ways in which you can do this. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to follow, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share for many more amazing videos like this, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.